My name's Catherine Follett and I'm the Director of MSM Legal. Now, if you've been charged with a criminal offence and you hold a visa of some sort, it's very, very important that you get migration advice as soon as possible. Now, you potentially have a criminal lawyer already, which is great. Obviously, with a criminal charge, you need to have a criminal lawyer. But the sooner you get migration advice as well, the better for you. It could be that whatever's happening in the criminal sphere is irrelevant to your migration circumstances, but it could be extremely important. So the most important thing you can do is to have those two lawyers working side by side. The big thing you need to know about the Migration Act and how it relates to the criminal law world is that they don't coexist very happily. So the criminal world will treat criminal offences or allegations of criminal offences in one way, and the Migration Act treats it completely differently. So, for example, a significant criminal record is something, it's a defined term under the Migration Act. And that means a sentence of imprisonment of 12 months or more. Now, in the criminal law world, usually a sentence, if there's more than one charge, those sentences will often be put side by side with each other, and that means that they run concurrently. That means, for example, if you have 3 different charges, one is 6 months, one is 4 months, one is 3 months, if they run concurrently, you add them together side by side, but the maximum sentence there is 6 months. But under the Migration Act, those are treated cumulatively. So you get 6 months of imprisonment plus 4 months of imprisonment plus 3 months of imprisonment. That's 13 months. So under the Migration Act, that's a significant criminal record. And that's a problem because potentially what happens with your criminal offences might change depending on what the outcomes could be for you under the Migration Act. We routinely work side by side with criminal lawyers and family lawyers in order to get you the best outcome. And something else to keep in mind is that a suspended sentence of imprisonment, which obviously means something in the criminal world, it means that you're not serving an immediate sentence of imprisonment. The Migration Act treats suspended sentences of imprisonment the same as immediate sentences of imprisonment. So all of these things are relevant. Our firm, we are both lawyers and registered migration agents, which means that we deal with everything from primary visa applications through to the Administrative Appeals Tribunal appeal process, and then past that to the judicial review status of matters, which goes through the Federal Circuit Court, Federal Court and the High Court, and we routinely help clients through every step of that process. So the big takeaway for you is if you're charged with criminal matters and you hold a visa of some sort, the best thing you can do is panic early, panic hard, get migration advice.